Where to start if you are entering cryptocurrency newly. As the world of cryptocurrency continues to evolve, many newcomers are eager to explore the potential opportunities it offers. However, entering the crypto market can be overwhelming, especially with the vast array of options, platforms, and information available. If you are looking to embark on your crypto journey, here is a step-by-step guide on where to start and how to navigate this dynamic landscape. Number one way to do this is to educate yourself. Before investing any money, take the time to learn the basics of cryptocurrency. Understanding fundamental concepts will help you make informed decisions. Here are some key topics to explore. What is cryptocurrency? Learn about blockchain technology, how cryptocurrencies work, and their potential uses. Types of cryptocurrencies. Familiarize yourself with various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and newer entrants like TapSwap, and many more. Wallets and exchanges. Understand the difference between hot and cold wallets, as well as how to use crypto exchanges to buy and sell coins. There are numerous online resources, courses, and communities that can help you get started. Websites like CoinMarketCap, Binance Academy, and various YouTube channels like this one provide valuable insights. Then you need to choose a reliable exchange. Once you've built a foundational knowledge, you need to select a cryptocurrency exchange to start trading. Here are some factors to consider when choosing an exchange. Number one is reputation. Opt for well-established exchanges with positive reviews such as Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, and in recent time, Bybit also. Now, the link to Binance and Bybit, if you have not joined yet, I'm going to leave it in the description section of this video, so when you click, it takes you to Binance or Bybit, and then on the go you register. Security. Ensure the exchange employs robust security measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for funds. Then another factor to look at is fees. Different exchanges have varying fee structures for trading, withdrawals, and deposits. Compare fees before choosing. Set up your wallet. After selecting an exchange, you need a crypto wallet to store your digital assets securely. Wallets come in various forms. There is the hot wallet. What does hot wallet mean? These are online wallets that are easy to access and use for daily transactions. However, they are more vulnerable to hacks. Cold wallets. These are offline wallets that offer advanced security for long-term storage options. Options include hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor. Choose a wallet that suits your needs, considering how differently you plan to buy, sell, or hold your cryptocurrencies. Now, I recently crossed the 5,000 subscriber mark on my YouTube channel, and I want to say thank you to my subscribers. How then do I do this? The first 5 people to drop their phone number and also to mention the network the phone number belongs to, so that I can send data to them. They are going to get free data from me. I've done this in several of my videos, and this is an opportunity for you here. Now, start small and diversify. When you are ready to invest, start small to minimize risk. Focus on a few cryptocurrencies rather than trying to invest in many or every promising coin. TapSwap, for example, is an emerging cryptocurrency that may present opportunities for growth. Diversifying your portfolio can help manage risk and potentially increase your chances of profit. Stay updated. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and new developments occur daily. Stay informed by following reputable crypto news outlets, forums, and social media channels. Engaging with the community can also provide insights and help you learn from experienced traders. Practice risk management. Investing in crypto can be exhilarating, but also risky. Use the following strategies to manage your investments wisely. Set limits. Establish clear entry and exit points for your trades. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out, that is FOMO. That can lead you to impulsive decisions. Stick to your strategy and don't rush into investments. Invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market can be unpredictable. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Then explore additional opportunities. Once you are comfortable with trading, consider exploring additional ways to earn with cryptocurrencies. And one of such ways is staking. Some cryptocurrencies allow you to earn rewards for holding and supporting the network. Then yield farming. Engage in decentralized finance platforms to earn interest on your crypto holdings. Your crypto journey begins now. Entering the world of cryptocurrency can be a rewarding venture if approached with caution and knowledge. By educating yourself, choosing reliable platforms, and managing your investments wisely, you can navigate this exciting market confidently. As you embark on this exciting market, as you embark on your crypto journey, keep an eye on emerging opportunities like TapSwap and stay committed to learning. This is Dr. Olubenga Adetitun TV or YouTube channel. Please like this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please share the link of this video. I make videos on this channel about how to make money online and offline. I committed myself to making money offline in the past, and now I am delving into making money online. I have seen that it is possible to make money online, and that is why I'm introducing you to these make money online opportunities at this time. So the crypto world is one such way to make money online. Please don't miss out of all the opportunities I'm sharing on this channel. I make a boast to say that if you watch my video for 6 months and your life is not transformed, then you should not watch my channel again. So what do? Watch more of my videos, both on how to make money online and offline, and then you are going to be glad you did. I will talk to you in the next video. Before then, if you have any questions or comments for me, drop it in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one. Until then, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to watch now. See you soon. Bye for now.